Welcome to Behance Narrated. We spoke to Erik Marchetti and Nicole Viana from the Blank Design Studio in Brazil. We wanted to know what inspired their recent redesign of a cookie store in Porto Alegre called Brookies Cookies.
It's a traditional cookies store. It's all that you expect. It's wooden, it's yellow and black.
Yeah, and the old identity was very shy, and what we wanted is to bring something different and put some shine on the brand.
So we really wanted to bring a little surprise to the client. This is not a conventional cookie store. We always build like a chromatic study regarding the competitors. Among, let's say, the 10 top stores of the city, no one was using this kind of color. So it was a very good insight to help positioning the brand in a different way.
And also the color green had an inspiration from the vintage objects that used this color a lot. So we got inspired in cartoons from the 50s, and we brought this to our identity.
It started by hand design, but after that, it's mainly Illustrator.
We wanted for the project a type that was rounded with rounded corners and represented something melted and sweet. So we think this fits with the project.
Yeah, it has been a huge surprise to us and to the client. The client, they send us the people reaction, posting pictures and sending their comments regarding the packaging, the colors. So it's a really fresh brand in the city, not only in the segment, but I believe it's working as a branding project that brings some new perspective to the city.
According to the client, sales have increased considerably.
We are not believing in what's going on with this project. All the world is looking for us and clients. In the last week, we closed our first client outside Brazil. It's a taco store from New York. So I hope that you will see this project very soon.